Guys, this is Supervisor Junior. Today we are up by SML Puppets. Let's get started. So we got Junior for SML merch. Yeah, y'all can tell by his hair. It kind of swishy. And his build. Y'all know. Yeah. Next puppet I'm gonna show you is Cody. So he got dreads on top, and y'all can tell by his boots. Yeah. And this puppet I'm gonna show y'all. So we got Joseph from SML merch. So this how he look. Yeah. So y'all, I'll see y'all later in the next video tomorrow. Stay tuned. More content. We out here.